right, to get the perfect shot. Right there. Let's begin the fishing.
Any bites yet?
Oh, just started. What should we use first? I got some curly-tailed grubs. I got some worms. They want to try Senkos first. Ooh. Perfect. Could be the world's biggest fish we're about to pull out of here. That's what I like to think. Yeah, no tangles, so we're good. We're good. No tangles so far. I think a bug just like did a drive-by on my head. Like, let's give it a look, please. Should be fine. It's right there. Yeah, that's fine. Okie artichoke. Let's get some fish. Well, that. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
I found an even better spot, but after, let me do like one more cast. But like 10 feet that way, or no, less than that, there's like a tree line in the shade and blah blah blah. Oh my gosh, someone's line is wrapped around my ankle. What a jerk. Who leaves this much line out like this? Terrible. That got caught on my ankle. It had a hook on it. It does have a hook on it. Oh my gosh. Look. This whole ass thing. Could have snagged me. Or someone's dog. Or something. A duck. I don't know. Or a wild baby. And what if a wild baby got hurt? Let's move down just a little bit. How's that? Kind of off frame to the right edge. Oh shoot, you're right. Okay. You're right. How is that? Good? Perfect. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Let's go! Let's go! Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Oh my god! Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh my god! He's huge! Oh my god! Oh, I'm yelling. Sorry. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! He's huge! Dude, this is the biggest bass I've ever seen. I don't know if I could hold it. Like, how do I hold it? Wow. Wow. Look at that big, beautiful. Holy. Where's the measuring tape? He is a monster. 19 inches. 19. Oh my god. Ow. One last look. Look at that. Holy monster fish. Let's go. Alright. Bye, big boy. Sorry. Kind of flipped you there. I forgot a towel again. I should have took a picture of it with my phone. Oh well, it's fine. Woo! I'm the best fisherman. Why would you want to wipe off the victory slime? That's the biggest damn bass. Yeah, let's go. I can't reach the water, it's all mud. That was nuts. Oh
This
my
looks
god.
big.
Oh yeah, like a 20-pound or 20-inch bass.
What?
Yeah, it was huge. Literally right here.
Dang it. I've heard this is the spot. The guy caught the biggest fish.
Really?
It's always this area.
Maybe that was it because he was massive.
Nice.
Yeah. Guys, oh my god, my dad's gonna be so proud. Oh my gosh. Look at that, you guys are covered in fish slime. Just covered, I tell you. Again. Oh no, it went into the tree. It literally went into the tree. Oh, you gotta love weedless, right? Oh, you gotta love it.
Morning.
Good morning. Definitely over 5 pounds. I wish I had that weighing clip, man. Oh my god. Better leave and come back. Okay. Let me just cast one more time over there. One more cast. That didn't count. Okay. Okie dokie. Sun's coming out. Feeling good. I'll just take off my jacket, leave it in the car. Alright. Let's go catch another one. Let's go catch another one. So this just was one of those days that starts off really, really awesome. Got a big old fish, you know, lots of action, and then for the rest of the day, nada. Well, I got some bites and nibbles, but didn't catch anything else. Anywho, I threw together some other footage from the rest of the fishing trip, and just want to say thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Bye! Shall we try right here? This sounds like a good place. No, it's supposed to fish here! Really? Really? Okay, simulation, I get it. I won't fish here. Oh, baby, ooh, baby. It was amazing to catch such a big boy. Such a big bass I loved. It brought me all the joy. Do-do-do-do-do-do. How about this? Oops, spot here. Put the camera here. Enjoy the sunshine, dear. Oh, okay, here we go. Did you catch anything?
No. How about you?
Yes, actually, as soon as you left that spot.
You did? Some
I
bass
did.
action?
It was like a 6-pound bass. It was huge.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. That's super awesome.
Yeah.
Using a little swim bait there?
Yes, I am.
Very awesome. Do you fish here often?
This is my second time here.
Second time?
Yeah.
Very awesome. Are you live streaming by
I
any chance?
am.
That's super cool. Do you do a lot of fishing in this area or what?
I'm kind of traveling, so
Okay.
yeah.
Very cool. Where are you originally from?
I just came from California.
California?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm originally from the Bay Area.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, very awesome. Yeah, what's it called? I hear this is a pretty good spot. But this is my second time here the past couple of weeks, but never any action though.
Just don't say the name out loud. I won't give it away online.
Well, anyway, have a great one.
All right,
nice
thank you.
meeting
You too.
Yeah.
She went full Chad there for a second. Did I? No, I didn't. Did I? Oh my god, was that douchey? I was gonna say, it's funny because after that guy left, I went to that spot and that's where I caught it. That wasn't douchey, that wasn't bad. Today is the best day ever. If I had a tail, I'd be wagging it. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. Again with this bullshit. Oh god. I almost knocked you guys over. Abuse. I'm sorry, Kitsune. Love you guys. I do this because I love you.
I haunt you because I love you.
Come hither. Come hither to my secret spot. I'll tell you guys a secret. Ready? Literally perfect. Alright. Keep on moving on. Good morning. Oh no, we lost another one to bass fishing. Hey now, hey now. I'll catch anything, okay? I'll catch, if it swims, I'll catch it. I don't care. I ain't fishiest. I ain't speciest. Okay. Let's find a spot over here. That duck turned around so fast. I caught one earlier. It was big. Thank you.
Good for you. Not so many birds today, huh?
Just ducks.
Good ducks.
Yeah. They're all in that guy's yard over there. Okay. I have pointed to the direction of all the birds. Did I think? Huh? Oh yeah, I did a bass earlier.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
I have to ask.
Yeah.
So you videotape yourself fishing?
I'm live streaming.
Oh,
actually,
okay.
yeah. I have people
cool.
watching. You say hi.
Hello. Have a good day.
Thank you too. Everyone say hello. Don't be rude. Everyone say hello. Go for smaller steps. See that cat?
Come on. No. He wants to watch you cast it.
Oh no, no pressure, right? All right.
Yeah.
Way up high. There you go. What a cute breed. What is he?
Chihuahua pit.
What?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. He's my little rescue from Compton.
Wow.
He was meant to be a fighting dog. It's a new...
He's so small.
Yeah. He was the runt. He's exactly what they wanted, what
Oh
they're
my
trying to
God.
do. It's an epidemic in LA and Texas, is that they're doing breeding the tiny dogs with pits
Oh wow.
for fighting dogs.
Oh, well, he's adorable.
Thanks. He just looks that way, but he's a turd.
Yeah.
All right, come on. She didn't get a fish.
I could try casting with one hand. I'll give it a go.